Hello student, today in this video lesson we are going to start a very important topic of English grammar, active and passive voice. First, we will find out what is voice. A voice is the form of a verb which express its connection with the doer. Doer means the subject. It makes clear whether the subject is doing something or something is being done to it. Kinds of voices. There are two kinds of voices, active voice and passive voice. In active voice, the subject does the action. For example, Mrs. Shelja teaches us English. In this sentence, Mrs. Shelja is doing the action of teaching. In passive voice, the subject receive the action. In passive voice, subject don't do any action. For example, English is taught to us Mrs. Shelja. In this sentence, English is the subject and he is receiving the action, not doing any action. So this sentence is in passive voice. Some general rules. When we change a sentence into active to passive voice, first replace the subject by the object. When we change a sentence into passive voice, we change the subject into object and object into subject. Second, use relevant helping verb plus third form of the verb after the object. In passive voice, we use relevant helping verbs and the third form of the verb, that is called past participle form of verb. Third, put by after the third form of the verb, and after the third form of the verb we use by. Put the subject of the active voice after by, and we put the subject of active voice after by. Now look at the example. Our first sentence is in active voice. Mohan writes a letter. In this sentence, Mohan is doing an action. He is writing a letter, and we have Mohan is subject and a letter is object. When we change this sentence into passive voice, a letter is in the place of subject and Mohan, who is the subject of active voice, is the object of passive voice. And in passive voice, we use third form of the verb. Write is the first form of verb and this is simple present tense. So we use writes according to our subject. In passive voice, we write written. Written is the third form of write. We use is/am/are according to our tense because our active sentence is in simple present tense. So in the passive voice, we use is according to our subject. Mohan is the object of passive sentence. So before Mohan, we use by. Now there are some pronouns. If we are using these pronouns in passive voice, they will change. I change into me, we change into us, you change into you, he, him, she, her, they, them, it, Deepak, Deepak. It means the name will not change as we saw in the first example. They will change when we change subject into object and object into subject. If we are using I in the place of object, it will convert into me, and if we are using me in place of subject, then it will change into I. Total we have 12 tenses, but only 8 tenses change into passive voice. So there we have a table in which there are rules how we change active to passive. First, simple present tense. In simple present tense, he plays chess. In passive voice, chess is played by him. If the sentence is in simple continuous, it means present continuous. She is writing a letter. We will use being in passive voice. A letter is being written by her. Present perfect tense. He has kept his word. In passive voice, His words has been kept by him. If our sentence is in simple past, he abused me. There is second form. I was abused by him in passive voice. And in past continuous, who was driving the car? By whom was the car being driven? This is the example of interrogative sentence, and interrogative sentence I will explain you later. Simple present tense. How we identify it is simple present tense? In simple present tense, after subject we use first form of the verb or we add s or es in the verb, and after that object. When we change simple present tense into passive voice, object is mr according to our object. Third form of the verb by, after by subject. For example, Sania helps poor people. In this sentence, object is poor people and this is the subject of passive voice, poor people. Our third form of helps is help by Sania. There are some more examples. With the help of these examples, we can understand how we will change active voice into passive voice. Our first sentence is Lata sings lovely songs. In this sentence, our object is lovely songs and the tense is simple present. So we will write lovely songs are sung by Lata. Sung is the third form of sing and songs are plural subject, so we will use are. Remember one more thing, only transitive verb is changed into passive voice. For example, Lata sings lovely songs. We have object lovely song. If the sentence is without object, we can't change it into passive voice. Our second sentence is we did not grow rice. In this sentence, the tense is simple past because there is did not and our object is rice. So we will change the sentence into passive voice. Rice was not, third form of grow is grown by us. We change into us. I have given the list already in the starting. In simple present, we use is mr in passive voice and in simple past, we use was were in passive voice. Now look at the third sentence. What do you want? This is the interrogative sentence of simple present tense. In the passive voice, we will write what is wanted by you. The fourth sentence is in simple future tense. They will run a race. The object is a race. We will write it in the place of subject. A race will, and in passive voice we will use be. Third form of run is also run by them. A race will be run by them. Our fifth sentence is in present continuous tense. Tom is building a house. In present continuous tense, in passive voice, we will use being, subject object subject is same. A house is being, third form of the verb built by Tom. The most important point, whenever you are writing a sentence in passive voice, always use third form of the verb, that is called past participle form of verb. Our sixth sentence is I was writing a letter. This sentence is in past continuous tense. In passive voice, we will write a letter was being written by me. Our seventh sentence is someone has stolen my purse. This sentence is in present perfect tense. In present perfect tense, in active voice, we already use the third form of the verb. In passive voice, we only use been, subject object subject. For example, my purse has been stolen by someone. If there is the word someone in your sentence, we can also remove someone. We can simply say that My purse has been stolen. The reason is that if the subject is understood, then we remove the subject. For example, someone has stolen my purse. I don't know who stole my purse, so I said someone. That's why we remove the word someone. Our next sentence is in past perfect tense. In past perfect tense, we also use been. There is already third form. She had finished her work. Her work had been finished by her. Our next sentence is in future. People will admire him. It is simple future. He will be admired by people. Same in this sentence. We can also remove the subject. Next sentence is in simple past tense. Did no one help you? And this is an interrogative sentence. In passive voice, were you not helped by the anyone? If there is no one in the sentence, in passive voice, we use anyone. Our next sentence is, will she deliver the message? Will the message be delivered by her? This is simple future and interrogative sentence. Respect your elders. This is an imperative sentence. Elders should be respected. Imperative sentence will be explained later. This is all for today. I hope you will understand active voice and passive voice and how we change active sentence into passive voice. Now I am giving some sentences to do. Note down these sentences and change these sentences into passive voice. If you feel any problem in changing active to passive voice and if you have any query, you can ask or comment.